Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be fine, and today our topic is discovery of neutron. The discovery of neutron can be tracked back to the years in 1930 when the German nuclear physicist Herbert Baker and Walter Bath observed that a penetrating form of radiation was produced when the alpha particle emitted by polonium was incident on the relatively light elements such as lithium, beryllium, and boron. This penetrating radiation was unaffected by electric field and was therefore assumed to be gamma radiation. In the year of 1932, the French scientist Frédéric Joliot-Curie and Erin Joliot-Curie observed that unusually penetrating radiation, when incident on the paraffin wax or other compound rich in hydrogen, caused the ejection of highly energy protons minus 5 MeV. The Italian physicist Ettore Majorana suggested the existence of neutral particle in the nucleus of atom, which was responsible for the manner in which the radiation interacted with protons. The presence of the neutral element particle in the nuclei of atom was also suggested by Ernest Rutherford in the year of 1920. He suggested that a naturally charged particle consisting of a proton and an electron bound to each other also resided in the nuclei of atom. He coined the term neutron to refer to this natural charged particle. And how were neutrons discovered? James Chadwick fired alpha radiations at beryllium sheet from a polonium source. This led to the production of uncharged penetrating radiation. The radiation was made incident and paraffin wax, a hydrocarbon having the relatively high hydrogen content. The proton ejected from the paraffin wax were observed with the help of ionization chamber. The range of liberated proton was measured, and the interaction between the uncharged radiation and the atom of the several gases was studied by Chadwick. He concluded that the unusually penetrating radiation consists of uncharged particles having approximately the same masses as a proton. These particles were later termed neutron. Okay, the next is the recommended questions. Who created the first atomic theory? The answer is the Greek philosopher Leucippus and Democritus present the old atomic hypothesis in the 5th century BC, and the Roman philosopher and poet Lucretius recurred in this 1st century BC. The next question arises, question number 2, who named the atom? Democritus when it's come to the world atom. However, we must go back to the 400 BC Greece, and then this was Democritus, a great philosopher who invented the Greek word atoms, which implies unquotables as result as argues. All matter may be reduced to the distinct tiny particle known as atoms. The next question, question number 3, what is the smallest subatomic particles? Quarks represent the smallest subatomic particle that are known. The modern elementary particles are tough to be contain building blocks of matter. Substituting protons, neutrons, or electrons as the fundamental particle in the universe. Okay. The next is what is the Dalton theory? Question number 4. The atomic theory of Dalton was the first comprehensive effort to define all matter in terms of atoms and their characteristics. All matter is made up of the individual atom according to the first component of this theory. The theory's second component states that all atoms of the particle element have the same masses and characteristics. Question number 5 arises, what is a neutron? A neutron is subatomic particle of an atom found in the nucleus. It is the neutral species present in all the atomic nuclei except hydrogen. Okay, and the question arises, who discovered proton? As we have discussed, a proton is positively charged subatomic particle discovered by Ernest Rutherford in 1917. He proved that the nucleus of the hydrogen atom is present in the nuclei of all other atoms. The again question arises, who discovered how, yeah, or why do neutrons have no charge? A neutron has no charge because the quarks that make up a neutron cancel each other charge, making it neutral. So this was the topic, hope you will understand, and discovery of neutron is very easy and In the next lecture, we will study some other topics. Hope you will understand. You will be understand and goodbye. Allah Hafiz.